Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to make sure your work in Google Sheets is properly saved, whether you're online or want to access it offline, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Google Sheets handles saving your updates, plus a few essential tricks for working offline and downloading your sheets for local storage. Let's jump right in. First things first, the great thing about Google Sheets is its autosave feature. This is a huge time saver and a real safety net. Unlike some older software where you had to remember to constantly hit save, Google Sheets does the heavy lifting for you. As soon as you type or change anything in your spreadsheet, Google Sheets is automatically saving those changes in real time. You don't even have to think about it. If you look towards the top right corner, you'll see a little cloud icon. Next to this icon, Google Sheets displays a note. If it says all changes saved in Drive, you can relax. It's confirmation that everything you've done has been safely stored even if you don't manually hit save. If you ever notice it saying saving or offline, that's just letting you know it's currently updating or waiting for a connection, so don't worry if that pops up for a moment. Now sometimes you might want to access your spreadsheets without an internet connection. Maybe you're traveling or your Wi-Fi is acting up. Google Sheets has a handy feature for just this scenario. Here, what you need to do with your sheet open, head up to the File menu at the top left, click it, and from the drop-down select Make Available Offline. What this does is let you access and even edit your spreadsheet when you're not connected to the internet. The next time you're offline, you can go to Google Drive, open the sheet, and keep working as usual. Once you're back online, all your changes will sync in the background so you never lose your progress. It's perfect if you're on a plane in a remote area or just working from a spot with spotty internet. This step might take a few moments, especially if your file is large, so just give it a second to set up. If you don't see the option, you might need to enable offline mode in your Google Drive settings first. It's a one-time setup and really useful for all your docs, sheets, and slides. Finally, what if you need a copy of your spreadsheet on your computer, maybe to share as an attachment or to work within another app? Google Sheets makes this straightforward as well. Just go back to that File menu, but this time scroll down to Download. Hover over that and you'll see several file format options. You can download it as an Excel file, XLSX, PDF, CSV, and a few others. That means you can open your sheet in Microsoft Excel or upload it somewhere else with no trouble. For example, if a colleague doesn't use Google Sheets, you could quickly download your file as a XLSX format and email it to them. It's flexible and gives you total control over your work. So that's all there is to it. Saving in Google Sheets is designed to be as automatic and stress-free as possible, but you also have full options for working offline or downloading files when you need them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Google Sheets or want to see more tips like this. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.